Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today we're going to make a Taco Bell's Enchirito. Remember back in the day, it looked like this. It came in a cute little tub and it had all the fixings. Well, we're going to duplicate it and make it our own. So let me show you how to put it together so you don't have to miss it anymore. We are going to use some taco seasoning, some ground beef, some red enchilada sauce, some olives, refried beans, mexi-blend cheese, a little bit of water, some onions, and I forgot to put in the flour tortilla. Oops. Start off by putting in some oil in our pan. Gonna go ahead and drop our ground beef right in there. You can use turkey or you can eliminate it altogether if you'd like, but I'm trying to stay authentic to the Taco Bell recipe. So gonna go ahead and give that a nice little chop as finely as I can get it, and go ahead and drain out the oil, and it should look like this. And gonna go ahead and take our seasoning packet. Now according to my packet, I have to put 3/4 cup of water in there and just let it sit there and hang out on simmer for 10 minutes. That was the hardest part about this. Not too bad, right? Let's keep going. Completely forgot to show you the tortilla when I was showing you the ingredients you need. I'm just using a flour tortilla that I just warmed up. Gonna put a couple little heaping tablespoons of that ground beef in there. I let it cool down for just a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same with the refried beans. I did warm this up just so it'd be a little bit easier to more manageable. So I just put it in the microwave for about a minute and just kind of stirred it around. Gonna go ahead and add in our onions and just go ahead and roll that all up. So Taco Bell they didn't tuck in the sides. They literally just rolled it up and put it seam side down. Now we're gonna get really fancy here and just open up our can of red enchilada sauce and just dump it right on top of our little burrito that we have going on down there. And if you have been watching my channel, you know I like cheese, so I am gonna of course indulge a little bit and overdo it just a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and put that right into our microwave for just a minute. And just like that, voila, we made Taco Bell's little enchirito. So for whatever reason, back in the day, they used to put 3 little olives on there, and it was only 3. I don't know why, but anyway, let's go take a little taste test. Okay, so I'm really not going to taste it in front of you because I don't want to offend anybody, but I have to tell you guys, this was so delicious. It literally does taste just like Taco Bell's. Now, I use the Taco Bell seasoning. You know what? It's the same as, oops, it's falling off my fork. I didn't cut all the way through. I guess I should have used a knife. But, or their little spork thing that they used to give us. Remember that little spoon fork thing? Yeah, probably should have grabbed that. So anyway, tastes just like it. You guys are going to love this. If you miss the enchirito, give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.